Sapphire's cassette balconies are manufactured in a dedicated production plant in Winchester and are delivered pre-assembled for installation. Lifting hooks are added to the balcony, which is attached to Sapphire's specialised counterbalance, which offsets the craned hook so a balcony can be installed beneath another one, so you don't have to install from the ground upwards, which offers more freedom. The crane carefully lifts the balcony across the site to its final install location, with Sapphire's counterbalance keeping the balcony level at all times and enabling a much simple process of guiding the balconies in. Once in range, the internal installers lock on with their guidance rods and pull the balcony with ease onto the arms that will slide over, which will support the balcony now that it's at its final location. Once in place, the crane is unhooked and it's time to install the next balcony. Because these aluminium cassette balconies are much lighter than traditional steel balconies, the number of connections to the building can be reduced, which saves cost. With less connections back to the building, cold bridging and moisture damage are also less likely to occur. For more information, you can find Sapphire on the internet at sapphirebalustrades.com. You can email at sales@sapphire.eu.com, or you can call on 0844 88 00 553. Sapphire, quality you can hold on to.